Hey everybody, late breaking Friday good news announcement about a lawsuit that is going to result in more people becoming eligible for green cards. But it's a little technical, so just hang on with me while I explain this to you. The people who are going to benefit from this are people who had a 3 or a 10-year bar because they had previous unlawful presence, time in the US, and then they later entered with a visa without waiting for their time outside. There's a case between the Northwest Immigrants Rights Project and the US Citizenship and Immigration Service, and the result of this lawsuit is a change in policy. So the law says that when someone comes in the United States with a visa or without, and they stay for longer than 6 months, they have a bar to reentry. If they stay for longer than 6 months, the bar is 3 years. If they stay for longer than a year, the bar is 10 years. So lots of people come in, they stayed, maybe they overstayed their visa, they left, and then they came back with a visa. And this happens in people's lives for all sorts of reasons. Well, the previous policy was that those people could not adjust status with inside the United States after their second entry with the visa without a waiver. And many parents of US citizen children didn't qualify for the waiver that they needed. So many people who had unlawful presence but entered with a visa have been told by me, by other attorneys, that they can't get status because they don't have a qualifying relative that they need for the waiver. So this case applies to you or someone you know if they had unlawful presence in the United States with entering with a visa and overstaying, or entering without a visa. They left and then they came back with permission or with a visa. And they now have a spouse, a parent, or a child who is a US citizen who wants to petition for them, or maybe permanent resident spouse. So if you know anyone in that situation, please forward this message to them. Tell them they can call us. We do free case evaluations. We'd be happy to talk through whether this will impact them. Of course, we are going through all of the people that we've spoken with. If you might get a phone call from us, if you've consulted with us, or if you are a client, of course, we will be reaching out and telling you how this impacts you. But to repeat, someone who had unlawful presence, who entered with a visa after that without waiting the time abroad, and they now want to be petitioned by a relative, could benefit from this new policy. So happy Good News Friday. Hope y'all are doing well.